Hello, everyone. We have 5 superheroes left to save the day. Let's continue. What superhero are we going to start with? Number 6 is the Flash. Did you know the Flash runs so fast it feels like time stops for him? Everything becomes very slow. This is called slow motion and gives the Flash all the time he needs to help everyone. Okay, what is the Flash's job to save the day? A big building is falling down with about 100 people inside, and there is also a bomb across the city that will explode in just 3 seconds. What will the Flash do? Did you say the Flash runs so fast that he can save everyone in no time? Yes, you're right. Or maybe the Flash and his super speed makes everything become slow motion and gives him time to save everyone. Yes, good job. Answer A. Does the Flash stop for a snack and forgets about the bomb? Or answer B. Does he use his super speed to be in 2 places at almost the same time? Yes, the answer is B. The Flash and his super speed makes time become slow motion so that he can save everyone and stop the bomb. The Flash is good for the job because sometimes heroes are late and there isn't enough time to save everyone. But not for the Flash. Okay, who is going to be hero number 7? Captain Marvel. Did you know Captain Marvel has space power? It is called cosmic power. That means power from space or the stars. She can make walls of light to keep people safe. These are called energy shields. The light around her body is also what it looks like. She can also shoot bright lights out of her hands when she fights. Those are called energy beams. Her space power is so strong she can protect people and attack enemies at the same time with her cosmic power. Okay, what is Captain Marvel's job to save the day? Bad space monsters are attacking Earth, but her friends are stuck in a space station. They can't get out, and the monsters are attacking them too. What does Captain Marvel do? If you said Captain Marvel uses her energy shields, yes, well done. Or maybe she protects her friends and fights the monsters at the same time. Good job! Answer A. Does Captain Marvel try talking to the monsters because some of them look friendly? Or answer B. Does she make energy shields for her friends while fighting the monsters? Yes, the answer is B. Captain Marvel puts energy shields around all of her friends to keep them safe, and she uses her energy beams to fight the monsters at the same time. Captain Marvel is good for the job because her space power is like magic. It keeps people safe and fights bad guys in different ways. Okay, who is going to be hero number 8? Superman! The can't hurt me power. I know everybody likes Superman. Did you know Superman gets his power from the sun? Just like a plant growing in a garden? It makes him strong, like charging a cell phone. The sun gives him good energy, and it's called good radiation. But some energy is bad, and bad radiation can make Superman weak and take his power away. Kryptonite is not Superman's only weakness, it is also bad radiation. Okay, what is Superman's job to save the day? A powerful monster called Doomsday is very strong, just like Superman. Superman takes Doomsday into space to keep people safe on Earth. They try to stop him with a big bomb, but it doesn't work. Will Superman be okay? If you said the sun will make Superman strong again, yes, you are right. Or maybe if Doomsday doesn't die, then Superman will also not die. Yes, that is good thinking. Answer A. No, Superman won't be okay because the sun went on holiday. No power today. Or answer B. Yes, the sun is always shining in space. That gives Superman good radiation and will make him strong again. Yes, the answer is B. Superman won't die. The sun will make him strong again. Superman is good because he is strong enough for dangerous jobs. He can take big hits and recover because he is not a normal human. Okay, who is going to be hero number 9? We have 2 more heroes left. Thor. Did you know anybody can use Thor's hammer, but only if you pass a hard test? And most people can't pass that test. There are 3 things. Number 1, you have to try keep doing things you don't like, even if it's hard. This helps you learn to not give up. Number 2, be kind to other people, even when they are not kind to you. This helps you to stop complaining and become stronger. Number 3, work hard and pay attention to small details. This helps you to always be ready for difficult things. If you can try remember these 3 rules every day, you are not just normal, you are extraordinary. And that means you deserve to use Thor's hammer. Okay, what is Thor's job to save the day? Thor's home planet, Asgard, is going to be destroyed. Thor has a choice: save the planet or save the people. He chooses the people because home is not a place, his people are his home. Does Thor really deserve to use his hammer? If you said yes because Thor makes a hard choice, even if it hurts to see his home be destroyed. Yes, good answer. Or maybe, yes, Thor thinks about what is most important and puts other people first. Yes, it makes you stronger to put others first. Answer A. Does Thor ask Iron Man to help him train so he can become extraordinary? Or answer B. Does Thor do everything by himself because he knows it is good for him, even if it's hard? Yes, the answer is B. Thor trains all the time and knows it is good for him, even if he doesn't feel like it. Thor is good for the job because he always tries to follow the rules that make him extraordinary, and because he does what is right. Difficult things become easier for him. Okay, who is going to be the last hero? I saved the best for last because he's also my favorite. Batman! Batman is a difficult superhero to understand, so don't worry too much about answering the questions, okay? I like the old Batman because he is much stronger after fighting bad guys for 20 years. Did you know Batman is supposed to be a scary superhero, but never becomes bad or evil? Batman doesn't need to look like a good hero because he understands evil better than anyone. This makes Batman special. He is the master of fear. He is strong enough, if he has to do bad things, and experienced enough to not become evil. It means Batman can be the bad superhero, so other superheroes can be good. Most superheroes should be friendly and give us hope. But that is why Batman wears black and is a superhero in the night. Batman makes bad guys afraid, and other heroes make good people feel safe. Okay, that was quite hard. But what is Batman's job to save the day? Batman's enemy, the Joker, took his friend Gordon. Joker says, "Kill me or watch your friend Gordon die." But Batman has one important rule: he never kills anyone. Remember, Batman's world is hard. and there's no one correct answer. After a long time, Batman learned hard lessons. He has experienced pain, death, and chaos more than most superheroes. Batman's greatest challenge or weakness was his no-killing rule. Did Batman become stronger after 20 years? If you said yes, Batman is stronger because he had to fight bad guys for a long time, yes, that is a good simple answer. Maybe Batman did get stronger because he can be the bad superhero, so other superheroes can be good. That is a much harder answer. So if you said that, well done. My answer is Batman did get strong enough to keep being the hero in the shadows. The most important thing is it means he can endure. Answer A. No. After 20 years, Batman got tired of being a hero and just became a villain himself. Answer B. Yes, Batman is stronger and helps the good superheroes in the shadows because he does not play by the good rules anymore. Yes, the answer can be A and it can be B. But for me, the answer is always B. Batman is good for the job because Batman can live in the dark so other heroes can live in the light. He can be scary so other heroes can stay kind. And I think that is what Batman is all about. Remember what I said, Batman is more difficult. If you like Batman for your own reasons, that is also fine. And more importantly, your English is getting very good. I'm proud of you.
Breathe it in. That's fear. You're not brave. Men are brave.
Don't worry if you don't know the answers. It's about learning something interesting, and you can always watch the video again. You will get used to English the more you practice. Some superheroes are not supposed to be better than other superheroes. Different superheroes and the villains teach you different things, and that is what you should like about them. In the next video, we will go over all the hard words we did for superheroes, and then you will understand all the heroes better. I will see you in the next video.